Man, does it feel good. What is up, guys, and welcome back. As you can tell from the title of this video, I quit my job. This has been a long time coming. I've always wanted to be self-employed. I just can't stand working for somebody else. I don't know, that sounds kind of messed up, I guess, but the 9 to 5 grind, it's just not for me. I want to be able to do what I want to do. I want to make money how I want to make money, and I want to be self-employed. I don't want to work for anybody else. I don't want to make somebody else money. I don't want to make a dime while they're making $1. I know that sounds kind of messed up, but that's just how I feel. I work hard enough that I should be able to make my own money. And over the last 8 years, I've pretty much been on this journey to be able to go full-time as fishing, really, or full-time on YouTube. And that's kind of been my goal over the last 7-8 years. I've actually achieved that goal at one point in time where all my money was from fishing for about a solid year. I'm not gonna lie to you, I was pretty much broke. I was barely getting by. Not a lot of money in the fishing industry. There just isn't. Especially if you're a content creator, companies in the fishing industry are just not willing to pay as much as other industries, or even as like a freelance videographer doing weddings and stuff. You can make so much more money doing photography and videography for weddings or special events than you can in the outdoor industry. You know, unless you're like one of the top dogs working for huge companies, which aren't too many guys doing that, you know. There's just not a lot of money in the outdoor industry. There really isn't. And I've been on this YouTube grind for a while now. I've just been grinding it out, making a little bit of money, but it's definitely not enough to support myself. And I've been working a night job, which has been kicking my ass, man. I'm getting too old for this stuff. I'm just turned 32 last month. Can't be working every night like that. It's just not worth it. It's not worth my health. And a lot of you guys might already know this, but I was a bouncer, actually, so I was constantly getting in the fights and scrapes and stuff at work. And I got a daughter now. You know, there's been people that I've thrown out and they tried to stab me and stuff, so it's just not worth it, me getting hurt, me getting seriously injured when I have a family to look after. So I knew it was time to quit. And in case you guys are wondering, I'm under a pavilion right now because it is pouring out. It's been pouring for the last 3 days, which kind of sucks. Might still go fishing later. Now, a lot of you guys probably clicked on this video thinking that I quit my job for YouTube, which there's some truth to that, but that's not how I was able to quit my job. Last October, a good friend of mine, Ben Giles, we have been friends since literally middle school, so I don't know, going on 20 years almost, hit me up with an idea to sell firewood for extra money during the pandemic, basically, because everybody's job was getting canned and stuff. I actually, at the club I was working at, we actually got shut down for 6 months. So we started selling firewood, and it just exploded. We could not even keep up with the amount of firewood that people were wanting. A lot of it was just how good I am at marketing on social media and stuff, and just everybody wanted firewood, and we literally couldn't keep up with it hardly. We were just freaking cutting and splitting firewood non-stop every day, making really good money selling firewood, more money than most people should probably make selling firewood, but it got us thinking that we can make even more money. So we decided we wanted to cut trees. Now, Ben has cut trees before. Back in college, he did it for extra money. He knows his stuff a little bit, but we wanted to make sure that we knew exactly what we were doing. So we enlisted the help of another one of my good friends, Chris Watts, who actually owns his own tree company in Maryland. And he actually came over to West Virginia and taught Ben all kind of crazy things on how to climb and what knots to tie, what ropes to use, what gear to use, how to use spurs, and when to use spurs, when to use your ropes. Just literally taught him everything. Taught me a lot too. I'm primarily the guy on the ground. I'm the ground guy, and we've been grinding ever since. So pretty much from October till now, which is August. So we're going on 10 months. We have been grinding, growing this business. A lot of you guys probably heard me talk about it before. We're calling ourselves the Wood Cartel. We started selling firewood, and we were distributing firewood pretty much all over the state of West Virginia. And it just took off. But there's more money in trees, so now that we're doing the trees, it's gotten a little bit. Well, it's still hectic. We're still extremely busy, but at least now we can get a couple days to break. But I was doing all of this. I was doing the tree stuff 4 or 5 days a week. I was working at the club 4 or 5 days a week. So there's a lot of days where I just worked all day, all night, 24 hours straight almost. And I've still been trying to do YouTube, at least one video a week, and it just became way too much. The money was good. I was making all kinds of money from everything, but absolutely kicking my ass. And like I said, I'm getting too old to be a bouncer at a nightclub. Just getting too old. And yeah, like I said, it used to be kind of fun when I didn't have anyone else to worry about, getting into the fights and stuff when I throw people out. Used to enjoy it a little bit, I'm not going to lie, which is probably kind of messed up, but I did. But now that I have a fiance and a daughter to come home to. It just kind of puts everything into perspective, and I don't want to get shivved on my way to my car because I threw somebody out, you know, had to throw them out the hard way or choke them out or something, and they're waiting for me with their buddies outside. So I've had that happen before. I've had a couple close calls. Like I said, it used to kind of be fun, but now that I'm a little bit older, now that I got more on the line as far as a little girl to look after, it's just not worth it anymore. And thankfully, the Wood Cartel has been doing so good that I'm finally have been able to quit my night job, and I am fully self-employed now at this point, and I am the happiest I've been in a long time. I have no one to answer to but myself and Ben. And me and Ben, we work so well together. Like I said, we've been friends since middle school. We make jokes all the time, like when one of us wants a day off, we're like, oh, you better call your boss, and then we just text each other like being stupid. But yeah, I could not be any more happy. Now, what this means for this channel is, because I'm no longer working my night job, I have so much more time to not only work at my business, but also create content for this channel. Because, like I said, there's a lot of days where I would work all day cutting trees and then go straight to my night job right after. And I would just be dead tired, and then have to do it the next day, and then the next day, and it was just kicking my ass. I wasn't getting much sleep at all, and I had a little girl to look after too, so it was just pretty much overwhelming, honestly. Now that all I have to do is worry about my one job and this channel, gives me a lot more opportunity to create awesome content for you guys. I want to thank everybody who has followed this channel and subscribed to this channel to this point. It really means a lot, guys. I'm going to continue to grind. I'm going to continue to produce really awesome content for you guys. Really hope you guys enjoy it. Gonna have a lot more trips coming up, a lot more fishing. Might even sprinkle a little bit of the Wood Cartel stuff I have before in the past. Might throw a little bit on this channel. I'm actually gonna link, we have a Wood Cartel YouTube channel. We haven't done much on it yet. I'm going to link it in the description so you guys can check it out. And we'll probably be producing some more like tree cutting videos and stuff on that channel if you guys are interested. But yeah, guys, I don't know what it is. There's something about being self-employed that is just so fulfilling, and it's just knowing that the only person you can really disappoint is yourself is, I don't know, it's just awesome. Like, it's motivating, because like the sky is the limit. Like, I own this company. We have been pretty much booked and busy since we started this little endeavor, and it's super, super exciting, and I cannot wait to see what the future holds. We're just going to keep grinding. We're going to start some sister companies, start some other businesses off of this one, and just keep grinding, keep building our little empire here. I'm just so excited. Like, I wouldn't even be having time to make this video right now if I was still working my night job and doing all this stuff, because it just takes it out of me. Like, I feel healthier, I feel better, I feel stronger, and I'm just more motivated, and I'm excited. It's been a while since I felt like this. I'm super excited because now I got way more time to fish, way more time to make YouTube videos. And yeah, we're going to keep grinding out here on YouTube. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to share that with you and kind of give like a little channel update, because I know for a while there, I was doing like 2-3 videos a week, and then I kind of cut back down to 1 video a week. I'm going to go back to the 2 to 3 videos a week grind, because I got more time now, and I'm super excited, and this is what I love doing. I love making this content. I love being outside. I love working outside, which is one of the reasons we started a tree business. But yeah, guys, that is all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. I'll see you next time.